Here we are using the law of cosines to solve for an angle. In this case, we're solving for angle C. Just to make sure that we can't use law of sines here, I don't have any opposite angle and side pairs that I can use, so therefore I have to use law of cosines. Because I'm looking for C, I'm going to set this up as a C law of cosines. So C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of C. Plugging things in, C is going to be 15, so 225. A squared, so that's going to be 36. B squared is 13 times 13 is 169. Minus 2 times 6 is 12. Times 13 is 156. Cosine of C. We have to be really careful here when we're looking at the law of cosines. There's a tendency to want to combine these three numbers, but because 156 is multiplied by cosine of C, we cannot combine that with the other ones. It's kind of stuck by itself until we get it by itself. So when I combine 36 and 169, I get 205. And now to get that by itself, I've got a minus 205 to both sides. And we get 20 is equal to negative 156 cosine of C. Dividing both sides by negative 156. And then throwing that into an inverse cosine function, we end up getting, so second cosine, 20 divided by negative 156, 97.3659 degrees is our answer.